Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Hayden from TestPro China. From now on, we will update videos about how to use TestPro Optical Probe and our other high-level products every Thursday. Today, I am going to introduce you TPBT Optical Probe. Our Bluetooth probe can be compatible with almost all communication protocol and standard. The probe can function perfectly as long as you connect it to the device that is able to connect to Bluetooth. So, to demonstrate how to use the Bluetooth probe, I will use TAHHT, which is also TestPro China's product as an example. And TAHHT will be introduced in upcoming episodes. First, before anything happens, you need to confirm the communication protocol of the electric meter you are going to read. This one we are looking at is IEC. After that, take out the reading device and the probe. First of all, place the probe onto the meter with the magnet and turn it on. Then wake up your reading device and connect it to the device. Then open your reading app and you can see the meter data. That is all for this episode. If you have any problem about using or want to know more about our products, you are welcome to contact us by the email address in the comments. Have a good day.
World leader in smart metering data collection and calibration.